Hello everyone. In this segment, we are going to get an expression for the product of inertia at the CG. We still have this triangle ABC, right angle triangle. The opposite side is to the right. And we have the CG apart by x bar from the y-axis. And the x bar value is 2/3 of b, while the y bar is equal to h over 3 from the x-axis. Since we have obtained an expression for IXY at the intersection of x and y at the left side corner equal to the b squared h squared over 8, where b is the base and h the height. For the IXY at the CG, by using the parallel axis theorem, we have to deduct the multiplication of the area by x bar, y bar. So IXY at the CG equal to IXY minus the area of the triangle multiplied by x bar by y bar. Our area for the triangle is 1/2 of the base multiplied by the height, which is h. 1/2 b multiplied by h. X bar is 2/3 of b, and y bar is h over 3. So ax bar y bar will be equal to 1/2 bh multiplied by 2/3 b multiplied by h over 3. 2 will go with 2, will cancel each other. Then we are left with b squared h squared divided by 9. So our IXY at the CG equal to b squared h squared over 8 minus b squared h squared over 9, making the denominator as 72. We have 9 minus 8 inside bracket divided by 72 multiplied by b squared h squared, and at the end we will have plus 1 over 72 h squared b squared will be the value of the product of inertia at the CG for right angle triangle. Thanks a lot and see you. Goodbye.